So this is one of the first things I had to build using this VR inventory. A little Roomba, of course, who picks up your trash. Look at him. He's so happy doing what he does. Come on, give me one. Look at that. So you can basically bait him. He always follows the closest item. Yeah, let him pick up everything for now. There's one more. Come back to your master. There you go. Come a bit closer, please, because there's a wall and I can't walk into it. In reality, at least. So, yeah. Come on. Look at you. Come on, come on, come on. Go here. Okay, I have to try something different. I have to make him turn around and drop off the ledge. Come on. Choop. I should pick, like, I don't know, 2 or more. Ah, not close enough. Another one. Come on. Okay, so. Go. Oh, damn it. That was a bad throw. Another one. And another. Okay, well, he follows it. Goodbye.